This is a demonstration of how you can use smart furniture to make your home better. The Murphy sofa wall bed can fold over top of the box copy to dining table. You can raise this table to your desired height. Additionally, you can raise it all the way up to table height, extend it, and turn it into a much larger table. The extending leaflets hide neatly and conveniently inside the box copy to dining table. You can add 1, 2, or 3 to make it your desired length. It makes a great dining table. Additionally, you can use it as a very large coffee table. This was the Murphy sofa wall bed and the box copy to dining table. You can view more at expandfurniture.com. Thanks for watching. This is the console to dining table in walnut. It rests away against the wall as a console table, or it can be used as a desk. When you want to use it as a dinner table, simply slide out the legs and flip open the tabletop. The table has now doubled in size and makes a nice dinner table for two. A set of folding chairs that can store away in a cupboard make a good match as a dining set. The pendulum chairs in walnut are used in this demonstration. It also has room for 2 more guests as a 4-seat dinner table. For more information, you can visit expandfurniture.com. Thanks for watching. It can lift and lower to your desired height, can double in size by folding over, and is the ultimate transforming table. It also works great as a very large coffee table. The Murphy sofa wall bed can fold perfectly over top of the sofa as well as the transforming table. For more information, you can visit expandfurniture.com. Thanks for watching. This is the round coffee table. Round tables are great for space sitting, as well as this table can lower down to a large coffee table. It can rotate and compact down to a smaller table as well. It has a gas mechanism for lift assist. It can fit below a Murphy sofa wall bed perfectly. And for more information, you can visit expandfurniture.com. Thanks for watching.